guys, so for today we're checking out the first Xiaomi store here in the Philippines. So if you follow my channel long enough, I'm sure you'd know that I love Xiaomi as a brand. I've reviewed a couple of their items here in my channel. Don't worry, I will link everything down below in the description box. So you can just imagine how excited I was when I heard that Xiaomi has opened their first flagship store here in the Philippines. I'm sure you know I featured this in my channel and the price is actually comparable with Singapore's. The only difference is my package had extra filters, eto wala. But the price is really amazing. So let me just take you around the store and show you some of the things that they're offering and the prices. They even have this auto detect smart light that I bought for 480. Mas mura pa dito. It's only 420 here. Xiaomi's first store is located at the 4th floor of Trinoma Mall that's near the cinema. So if you have time, go check it out. They have amazing products at seriously amazing prices. You don't even have to go abroad to buy Xiaomi anymore. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!